You are welcome to Science Tutorials with Pharmaternity the Schoolboy. Today we are going to take a look at pharmaceutical calculations. And we have a question on the board. The question says, digoxin pediatric elixir contains 0.05 milligram of digoxin in each milliliter of the elixir. If there are 1,000 micrograms in each milligram, how many micrograms of digoxin would be delivered in each dose of 0.6 ml? Alright, let's look at the question critically. Alright, the products digoxin elixir in the shelf has solution. The product digoxin elixir in the shelf has 0.05 milligram of digoxin in each ml. That means this concentration of the digoxin elixir is 0.05 milligram per watt ml. That means 1 ml of the elixir contains 0.05 milligram of what? Digoxin. That is strength, that is concentration. Now let's continue. They now say that there are, of course, is under normal circumstance, 1,000 microgram, 1 milligram is equal to what? 1,000 watts microgram. We know that one already. Now, they ask how many microgram of digoxin will be delivered in each dose of 0.6 ml. Now let's go. We have already established that 1 ml of the what? Elixir contains 0.05 milligram of what? Digoxin. We have already established that. Now, if you take 0.6 ml of the elixir, how many milligram of digoxin will it contain? Let's go. Therefore, 0.6 ml of the what? Elixir would contain what? We don't know, we call it what? X. We don't know, we call it what? X. So we cross multiply. X will now give us what? 0.6 ml times 0.05 what? Milligram all over 1 ml. Ml will cancel ml. We are left with 0.6 times 0.05 milligram. Basically, 0.6 times 0.5 is 0.3. Half of 0.6 is 0.3. Therefore, if you have decimal movements, it will now give us what? 0.03. So this will give us what? 0.03 watts milligram. So that means 0.6 ml of this elixir will contain 0.03 milligram of what? Digoxin. Now, if that is the case, we'll convert this milligram to microgram and get what we are looking for, because they want us to find it a microgram. We have already established that 1 milligram is equal to 1,000 watts microgram. So 0.03 milligram will now be what? We don't know, we call it X. If 1 milligram is 1,000 micrograms, 0.03 milligram will now be how many micrograms? So we find X. X, we can multiply again. X is now 0.03 milligram times 1,000 microgram all over what? 1 milligram. Milligram will cancel milligram. Decimal movement will take place again. This decimal movement, as this decimal point enter here, 1 0 will disappear. We are left with 0.3. As it enters here again, another 0 will disappear. We are left with 3.0. As we move again, another 0 will disappear. We are left with what? We are left with what? 30. So we have 30 what? Microgram. So there are 30. So let's go to the question. What it implies is that they ask how many micrograms of the glucose will be delivered in each dose of 0.6 ml. Therefore, 0.6 ml dose of the elixir would deliver 30 microgram of what? Digoxin. This is the answer. 30 microgram of the what? Digoxin. Thank you very much for your attention. Please, if you have any question, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The name is Susan Academy, purely for academic videos. We also have another YouTube channel, Susan Limited, for general videos, not only academic videos. You can also subscribe to my personal YouTube channel. The name is Pharmaceutical, the schoolboy. My name is Pharmaceutical, the schoolboy. See you next time.